So hello and welcome to our channel The Get Mac. So here we start our second video on transformer. So let's start the video. So what is transformer? First of all, a transformer is a device that is used to either raise or lower voltages and current in an electric circuit. In modern electric distribution system, transformers are used to boost voltage levels so as to decrease line losses during transmission. So basically transformer which is used in electric distribution system, and it is used to either raise or lower voltage and current both, right? So second thing is, what is electric current? This is a basic concept. Okay, so electric current is defined as a rate of flow of negative charge of the conductor, and the negative charges is electrons. Okay, so the rate of flow of electrons of the conductor is called electric current, right? So electricity, the word derived from electrons, electricity word derived from electrons. Okay, so the rate of flow of negative charges of the conductor is called electric current. And what is voltage? So voltage between two ends of the path is the total energy required to move a small electric charge along that path divided by the magnitude of the charge. So voltage times of a wire, we can say. Okay, so next point is part of transformer. So what kind of parts or component we can say which we use in transformer is core. Okay, second is winding, insulating material like paper, cardboard. Okay, oil, transformer oil is also a insulating material. Okay, tap changer, conservator, breather, tubes, relay, explosion vent, and bushing. And the main component of a transformer is core, winding, and bushing. These three are main component of transformer. So let's start. Okay, here is, so we can see this is a tank. Okay, this is a tank. This is cooling tubes, fins, radiator fins. Okay, temperature gauge, conservator. Okay, explosion valve, pressure release device, relay, silica gel, breather, ठीक है, oil inlet valve, bushing. Okay, and wheels. Okay, so this is the basic diagram of a transformer. So first component of transformer is core. The core of a transformer is used to support the winding. Okay, सो वाइंडिंग को जो चीज़ सपोर्ट कर रही है, या अपन बोल सकते हैं, हम बोल सकते हैं कि वाइंडिंग जिसके ऊपर लगी हुई है, दैट्स कोर. ओके, इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ सॉफ्ट एंड high stresses loss, provide low reluctance path of the flow of magnetic flux. Diameter of the transformer's core is directly proportional to copper loss and inversely proportional to iron loss, right? So this is a core. Second main part is winding. So winding consists of several copper coil turns bundled together, each bundle connected to form a complete winding. Okay, so there are two types of winding in a transformer. First is primary winding and second one is secondary winding, and both winding are connected with steel core. Okay, so winding can be based either on the input output supply or on the voltage range. Winding that are based on supply are classified into primary and secondary. Okay, winding, meaning the winding to which the input and output voltage is applied respectively. On the other hand, winding based on voltage range can be classified into high voltage winding or low voltage winding. Okay, third is insulating material. Insulating material which stop the passage of electricity, heat, sound from one conductor to another. Okay, like paper, cardboard. Okay, are used to isolate primary and secondary winding from each other, as well as the transformer core. These windings are made up of copper due to high conductivity and ductility. High conductivity minimizes the amount of copper needed and minimizes losses. High ductility results in many bending of conductors into tight winding around the core. Third is transformer oil, which insulates as well as Winding of the transformer must be normally contains hydrocarbon mineral oil. Okay, hydrocarbon mineral oil which we used in conservator. Okay, conservator is an airtight metallic cylindrical drum fitted above the transformer, above the tank of the transformer, we can say, that conserve the transformer oil. It is vented at the top and is filled only half with the oil to allow expansion and contraction during temperature variations. However, the main tank of the is completely filled with the oil through a pipeline. Next one is breather, filled with silica gel. Silica crystals, which is used in silica gel, absorb the moistures which contains, okay, so which is used to keep the air that enter the tank moisture free. This is because the insulating oil when react with moisture can affect the insulation and cause internal fault, which is why it is a must to keep the air. When the air passes through the silica gel, the moisture contains are absorbed by the silica crystal. Second is tap changer. Tap changer is used to balance voltage variation within the transformer. Okay, so there are two types of tap changers, on load and off load. In on load tap changer, tapping can be changed without isolating transformer from supply, and off load, the transformer needs to be disconnected from the supply or electric current. Okay, next is cooling tubes. Okay, so these are used to cool the transformer oil, and circulation of the oil within the transformer may be forced. Okay, in the case of natural circulation, when the oil temperature rises, the hot oil naturally moves the top, while in case of forced circulation, an internal pumps is used. Relay placed over the connecting. The relay senses the faults occurring within the transformer. It operates by the transformer oil during internal fault. Thus, this device is used to sense and in turn protect the transformer from internal fault. Right. Last component is expansion vent. Boiling hot oil from the transformer is expelled during internal fault through the expansion vent to avoid explosion of the transformer. This is generally placed above the level of conservatory tank. And our last component of transformer is bushing, which we will discuss in our next video. Okay, so that's all about the parts of transformer. Transformer is oil immersed transformer. Okay, this is called oil immersed transformer. So that's all about the transformer. So thank you for watching. Thank you.